So if I multiply the first equation by 2 and I multiply the second equation by 5, I'm going to get 10a plus 6b to be equal to 8. And I'm going to get 10a minus 20b. Sorry, not 20b. Actually, it should be 20b. 10a minus 20b to be equal to negative 5. Now I will subtract this equation 1 and equation 2. I'll subtract them from each other. So I will get 26b to be equal to 13. And now that I have this, b will be equal to 1/2. Now I'll plug this back into, if this is equation number 3 down here, I'll plug this back into equation 3. So I'll get 2a minus 4 multiplied by 1/2. It's going to be equal to negative 1. So 2a minus 2 is equal to negative 1. So 2a will be equal to 1. And a will be equal to 1/2 here.